In this video, I'll show you how to check your CPU temperature on your Windows. If you're using Windows 10 and you're using Windows 11, this is going to work out well for you. Right now, if you look here, you can see I can be able to check my CPU temperature from the utilization, the speed, the processes, the threads, the handles, and everything you need. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel. So what you need to do now, click on this. You're going to be able to see Task Manager. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is going to come out, right? So you need to click on the performances, right? Once you click on it, okay, I'm going to start afresh. I'm going to click on this Task Manager. This is going to come out. So you can see the processes, performance, app history, all this. So what you need to do, click on the performance. So from here, you can be able to come on here and track your CPU temperature. If you want to see everything, you just click on this. Everything is going to come out well for you to be able to see this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the very next video.